All right, what's up, guys? You guys love these trade recaps, so I'm gonna keep giving it to you. Today we had a very nice, smooth, clean day. It was honestly beautiful. I took four trades, I lost two, and I won two. Risk was managed, and the trades were beautiful. I made around $900 in my five Top Step accounts, which actually is my fifth day of $200 in my Top Step accounts, which is crazy because I could request another payout, but my balance is only 1,300. So if I request a payout, I'm not gonna have much drawdown to play with. Also, I really want to hit 30 days of $200 to request 100% of it. That'd be beautiful. But of course, like if I could get a good payout before then of course I'm gonna take it. And if you're wondering what payout I'm aiming for at least 10K. So I already did the math, and my balance would need to be around $4,500 in order to request a 10K payout. Because after you make 10K with Top Step, they have a 10% fee that they take basically. So yeah. Anyways, I also made $500 in my live account. So my balance was at 4,500, but last Friday I requested $800 since I made $800 that same day, and it just got approved today. So the money is out of the account. I haven't gotten it in my bank account yet, but I hope I get it today. That'd be awesome. And yeah, so the balance in my live account is now around 3,700. Yeah, just keeping you guys updated. Anyways, let's get right onto it, right? So, boom, you guys already know how I draw my support and resistance levels with the white lines on the 15-minute time frame. Boom, simple. And then on bigger time frames, I like to draw the supply and demand, okay? So, that's what these gray zones are. If you zoom out like all the way up here, we have bigger time frame supply zones. So buyers are going to need to be super strong, which they kind of already are starting to be strong. Anyways, let me focus. Right. Okay, so boom. This is a 15-minute supply zone. Right before market open at 9 a.m. We tapped into that and we were already rejecting it. Boom, market opened up and we had an insane reaction to it. It dropped. How much ticks did it drop from market open? More than 500 ticks, right? So I'm already thinking like this is an aggressive sell. I definitely want to sell, but I want to see how it reacts at VWAP. And also, if you're wondering what this gray zone right here is, it's this 15-minute demand zone that we had previously bounced off of. And I mean, we also bounced off of VWAP, so that was a key area. But yeah, that's what this little gray zone right here is. Okay, that's the zone that I was looking at. As much as I wanted to go in a sell right here because we closed below this little area here, I didn't because wow, I lost my train of thought because I saw this reaction here. Anyways, I'm not gonna trade. Whew, my addictions almost came out. My trading addict almost came out. Anyways, no, I'm not gonna trade. As much as I wanted to get in this sell right here at 9:30 because we closed below here, it just made sense, write it down to VWAP. I didn't because I was sticking to my plan, my rules, which is to trade at 9:45 a.m. because I wait for that first 15-minute candle to close. Okay. So yeah, I waited. Trust me, I would have gotten in a sell if it was my time to trade, but I didn't. Boom, 9:45 hit, my time to trade. I was looking at the 1 minute and 5 minute, but my mistake here. Okay, first of all, I went long right here, and I got stopped out around here, something like that. Yeah, I went long there because on the 1 minute we closed above, that was my first mistake, because I always say make decisions based off of bigger time frame candlesticks like the 5 minute, and I that's what I should have done. But anyways, I got stopped out on a long, and then I looked at like the other string because I have my thing like this. I be having two, and I looked at it, and the 5 minute closed below VWAP. So I was like, all right, like yeah, this is gonna go down again. So I entered short again, and that's what this trade is right here. Boom, I entered short again because I saw that we had a bigger time frame closure below VWAP and also below this area here, which I mean, if you zoom out, it's everything, right? It's VWAP, it's support and resistance, and it's supply. Or sorry, it's demand, which kind of turns into supply. I don't know. Anyways, okay, boom. So let's delete that little zone there. Yeah, that was the first trade. Yo, when I thought news came out, that's how fast this candle shot down. We were going, I mean, actually, I was going crazy. I was like, oh, snap. And I immediately went break even because, not trying to get caught up. But yeah, once we hit this area here, I was trailing my stop loss and profit. Boom, caught a nice trade, almost 300 ticks. Okay. Then, after that trade, I took a little breather, and I noticed, bro, where am I looking? Okay. It happened right here. Do you see this red candle here at 950? That's when it happened. And when that happened, I noticed that it created a supply zone. Even though it's pretty big of a zone, it's still a supply zone. Okay. So I was like, okay, like I'm definitely still thinking short. So I went short again, and it's actually really funny what happened. I entered short like right here. It was around here or something. I entered what am I doing? Okay, boom. I entered short around here, and I put my stop loss right there, right above this wick right here, and I literally got one ticked, and it ran down in my direction, and I was like, bro. And it's funny because I told the group, I was like, all right, like this might be my last trade. And I got stopped out by one tick, and then I saw the reaction like happening again, even better. Like I saw a better rejection with a stronger candle. So I was like, all right, like I'm gonna give this shot. I'm gonna give this short one more chance. And I did, and it played out very nice. I did get a bad entry though. I'm not gonna lie. My entry should have been like way up here, so my stop loss could have been a little bit more tighter. But I mean, either way, I got in on time, and I caught a nice move. Originally I wanted to go down here to 507. If you zoom out, it's been an area of interest before. Kind of. Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it was an area of interest, so I was aiming for it. But you guys know I like to lock in my profit, and that's exactly what I did. So, what I did was, once we had this like red candle close here, I put my stop loss right here above that candlestick, and then I saw like a doji candle, and I put my stop loss like right above it. And then once this candle turned red, I trailed it super tight like this, and I got stopped out like that. So, yeah, it was a super nice move. But yeah, I took 4 trades, 2 L's, 2 W's, and I ended the day in a very nice profit. So yeah, hopefully, you guys love this video. I know you guys absolutely love fucking trade recaps, so I'm gonna keep doing them. Yeah, that's all I got. Thank you for watching.